Yes, my friends on YouTube, new adventure. Nice day, bright. Said that we're gonna get some rain later, but we're not sure about that. Yeah, still man there, the seafood man with a new lure. Not really a new lure, you know, it's an old lure, but you know, hard to use this one. So we're gonna try this one today, the Rapala. But guess what? You see this bait here? That bait, that one is an eagle claw bait, you know. Eagle claw copy Uzuri, and they make some bait looking like Uzuri, but it was white back, so I used some marker and stuff and put red on the back because I heard that they bite in the red back. So we're gonna try that one. Right, so there we go now. Yeah, the man pressing out on the engine, you know, but guess what? Need a bigger engine. Well, let's soon get that stuff. Oh, we'll find the big ones today, you know. Come on, some big kingfish. So that man is a kingfish slayer, you know. Alright, we get back to the action.
Yes, the Jamaican anglers again. Yes, camera one, pick up something. Don't know is what.
Feel like a kingfish, you know.
What is that, king has?
Yeah, I feel like a kingfish.
Wow. Good thing, man.
Shaped like crazy.
Which bait are you using?
The blueback Uzuri.
Alright, you can get off him. Big one. Hold on. Oh. Good job. You have him? Nice. That's the man. The great angler.
Blueback Uzuri, you know, catches kingfish.
I think I got
about 5 pounds this one would weigh.
Alright. Do a little surgery on him. Hold him tight, hold him good, man. Hold him tight.
Slip out of my hand, man. What? This one is active. Alright, Kevin. Give it.
Can't get too tight.
Oh, like a small kingfish.
Yes. Come on, strike again. Breeze kind of rough, but you know. I feel like little one. Grab it. Hold on. Active bud. Get him. Hold him by his tail. Alright, there's the man. Say something, man.
Jamaican angler. Kingfish.
Great catch.
We're the kingfish slayers, you know. Don't play with kingfish.
Hold him, man. Yeah, come out. Alright, hold him up there. That's a boat, what size is that? 3 pounds. Drop him inside.
Yeah, this is the end of our fishing trip. The water outside kind of bad, and this boat is small, so we can stay out there in that rough water. But we didn't do too bad today, you know. We didn't do too bad today. Catch 4 kingfish. The seafood man, see him there? Seafood man, that, you know. But the killer still, but you know, can't kill them more than me, because me catch 2 and him catch 2. Killer! See that, look at this, see that, right there, you know, hey, is this big, you know? Little story, you know, that is a killer bait. Yes, man, you know, yes, man, watch it. See him there, you know? Yeah, man, watch it. Yes, man, look, nice kingfish, them, you know. Guess what? We have to cook them, you know. I just fillet them and do some, but I never know, fry them with some breadcrumbs and things. Nice. Yeah, nice though, nice. Yes. Yes, man. Nice catch. Yeah, that's a killer bait there, man. Blue back Missouri. That one is a green back. That one is a green back. See there? 3D. Bad. That is a blue back. But you see the blue back? It's bad, you know? Anyway, got a kingfish. Not bad at it, not at all, you know. Anyway, still counting them. Yeah, still counting them. Yeah, about 3 pound size, huh? Yeah, we have to wash out and clean out this boat when we go up, so. Anyway, thanks for watching, alright? Until our next kingfish adventure. Maybe tomorrow, you know, but we don't know, depends on the weather. But until then, catch you next. Yeah, so we're out again this morning. You know, we caught 4 kingfish yesterday. We didn't do too bad, you know. But the breeze came up on us and well, we have to leave them. But they were biting, so we decided to come out here this morning, see if we can catch some more. Because you have a lot of people that want kingfish. Now see, that is the seafood man, always relax, you know. Watch him. Yeah, man, even that. Yeah, so we just put out the rods, you know. That's the seafood man right over there, so. And this is my rod over here, so. I don't know, the breeze might come up early today, but we're trying to make a early run for it, you know. See what we can pick up today. Water not bad at all, the water is calm. And the sun just peeping up. Yeah, it's a great day, nice day. Nice and cool right now. We don't know for later on, but we'll see what will happen. So seafood man, say something now.
Killer is here. One more time.
So the killer is here now, one more time. So I hope we can find him this morning. But you know, sometimes they're not down this side, they're up nearby the ship, because the ships up there harbor the bait around them, you know, so you'll find the kingfish around the big ships up there. So that's where we find most of them. Anyways, we'll get you in the action. So come back. It look like the seafood man hook up, you know. Alright, we're just coming up a while ago and hook up on a nice one. Oh, it's a nice one, yeah. Alright, so alright. Ah, small one like yesterday. A nice size still, we can fillet. Yeah man, so the seafood man, that's them hook up today. Boy,
What?
man, just take out a new bait and get 3 strike on it, you know. Watch it. How would them call that now? I don't even know, but it's bad. Man, bite off it too, you know.
3 strike.
Alright, the first one that, you know, see there? Gone in.
Alright.
Yeah, see him there? Yeah. Alright.
1 up.
Alright, it's my time now, you know, so the next one you see I video, you know, is my one. Alright. So come back. Don't just tell you say I supposed to hook up another one and this watch here. The man hook up again. I don't understand this. The seafood man mash me up to the man. Watch out, man. He might do it himself, you know, messy. No, okay.
Follow the one there.
You don't want to help. Boy, the seafood man at the control. Watch him again. Boy, me I tell you, this man is bad, you know. I have to do some exercise when we go up. Yeah, man, me have to do some exercise, man. When we done, me have to do some push-up right now.
Next one again.
Surgery. It's a seafood man. Well, this man is the luckiest man still on the boat, you know, because he mash me up today. Although I mash him up yesterday, but I mash me up today now. Alright. No problem here. My time soon come.
Small man, the money is nice, you know, man.
Yeah, good size.
Good eating size. People love them here now. In size here. That's 2.
That's 2. The man put in the box, you know, me not put none yet. Yeah, 2. 1, 2. Hold on there. Me go stop this thing and do some push up and thing. Alright, so come back. Alright, it's a seafood man day today, you know. The breeze just coming up and we hook up on another one. As usual, the seafood man seem they're fighting the fish.
Like fuck.
Yeah, watch him fight the fish. It's kind of windy, you know. See there? Just coming up, but not so bad. Yeah, the same size them. Try and take him over with the bait. Yeah. Yeah, so the seafood man catch another little one, you know, see me? Alright. Them you see them so small. Them hard to deal with, you know. Yeah, see him there. But yesterday I laugh ako pero jumputa yan, majumputa yan ano. I'm not so big today, you know? I'm kind of small, but them can go on, you know. Can do some, can eat up, you know. Nice kingfish. Them can go and cook up and fry up and anything you want to do. Alright, we're gonna send out the lines again and see what we can hook up by the time we reach down. So catch you in the action again. Seafood man bad enough, watch him. Boy, I didn't even have time to start the camera, watch him. The man catch a snit. The Barrow family snit. See him there?
What is rocket chop?
Rocket chop baits. The man catch a snit there. The man are good, you know. Another kingfish, a snit, another snit. All top and all kind of fishes man get.
What? Some jump there, what?
Yeah.
Some big jump over there. Watch this now.
Yeah, but look at this now. Boy. Man are the boss, you know. Watch him again. Yesterday we catch 4, you know, but
What's this
watch
one?
him, that is a snitch, you know, but man bite you.
Alright.
Put him down, yeah.
Whoa! Make him jump, man. Make him jump. Jump, go on, watch
Man, don't
it.
make him bite me, you know, man. Yeah, look at that. 4 more, you know. Yesterday we catch 4, you know, and watch here. But guess what? Is him alone catch those? But yesterday me catch 3, you know, so it's just one more than me him catch. See him there, man. Seafood man, and there. Put them back. Yeah, man. Just put them.
Man, that's good. A good
That's
scene.
good.
A good scene with them. See them, look on them.
See him there. Seafood man, and him.
See that? Watch
Yeah,
this now.
see
1,
him, 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
You're the only one getting 5.
Seafood man.
See them?
Why, the man a real fisherman still, you know, yeah?
5 that.
Yeah, so this is the end of our fishing trip, you know. Why, we're not catching anything more out there, so, and the breeze coming up and stuff, so.
The bait will do the trick for me today.
And this is the bait.
I'll show you. This is
That
one.
is one that catch about 2 of them, you know. That is a rocket trap.
Look at this one.
And you know, another.
This one now is a real killer.
And that one now, you know how much strike this man get on that bait? The man get about
Sir.
10 strike, you know.
This is a new bait. And look at it.
Yeah, man, about 10 strikes, see through there.
Watch the teeth,
Teeth
mark.
mark like crazy, you know, man.
That's the
Kingfish.
teeth mark right here.
Yeah.
Right. So these 2 baits
Yeah, man.
did the job today. Get the job done today, you know?
Well, that's it for the day. Alright, anyways, that's the end of it. Another kingfish adventure. So, you'll catch us again next week for another one. So, until then, thanks for watching. We'll see you again.